in case it comes out like this. So basically that is where your Power BI comes in, or your Excel. Yes, your Power Query. So wait, let me open Power BI. We are going to extract this data from this PDF. So as I'm waiting for Power BI to okay, it's opening. Blank report. Okay, let's go back to Chrome. You see this link here. We are going to copy it, Ctrl C, then go back to Power BI. We are going to get data from web. So in this place, you're going to paste that link. You're trying to establish a connection between that PDF and Power BI. So you see that Nigeria's data is just there. It's just for you to, know how to get it, know how to search for the data. It might take a little bit of time, but one thing is sure, if you see it. So click on anyone you want. Can you see all the whole tables? Just when you select what you want, the tables that actually apply to what you're looking for, then you click on transform data. That is how you can easily get out the tables, even though the document is in PDF. So basically, let's go to CBN bulletin. How we are going to source data from Nigerian CBN bulletin. CBN .gov.ng. Yes, this is what CBN bulletin looks like. These are publications of statistical bulletin. This is where I get official macro data like exchange rates, money supply, interest rates, and many more. One thing with this is that you have to download the latest bulletin. Yes, either Excel or PDF format. Okay, this is statistical bulletin, contents and expression. Let's go to financial statistics. It's going to download. So when this has finally been downloaded, we are going to open it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Like, there is no data here. Why is this thing showing me this? No, fear not. So when you click on monetary survey, it brings out the data for you. Everything is here, whatever you want. Non-interest merchant banks, anything you want, from 1981 2006. I see here this is 2000, and these digits are in billions. But let me expand this. These digits are in billions. Look at it, billions. So if you want to go back, you can go back. Anything you want, assets or liabilities, so everything is here. Everything you want is here. So one thing I want you to know before I wrap this up is that always check updated dates of the reports before you download it. Cross-check the figures across at least two sources for consistency, because there might be entry error. No one is above mistake. So use a consistent file naming system so you can easily track your data sources. Yes, and this is how I keep my data analysis projects clean, credible, and also professional. So thank you so much for watching.